Zuckerberg. I was born on May 14, 1984 in White Plains, New York. I was raised in nearby Dobbs Ferry. I was born into a well-educated family and developed an interest in computer programming at an early age. At the age of 12, I created a messaging program named SetNet that I implemented as an inter-office communication system for my father's dental practice. Due to my early signs of success, my parents got me a computer programming tutor while I was still in high school, and they enrolled me in a prep school in New Hampshire. After graduating from prep school, I enrolled at Harvard University. While many intelligent people attend Harvard University, I became known quickly as the go-to computer programmer on campus. By my sophomore year, I had already built 2 programs, Course Match and Face Mash. Both programs became wildly popular, but the university shut down the latter program after it was deemed to be inappropriate. Based on my claim on campus, I partnered with friends to create a social networking site that allowed Harvard students to connect with each other. The site officially went live in June 2004 under the name The Facebook, and I ran it out of my dorm room. After my sophomore year, I dropped out of college to pursue what was now called Facebook full-time. The website reached 1 million users by the end of 2004. This explosion of user growth attracted the attention of many venture capital VC firms, and I eventually moved out to Silicon Valley in 2005. Facebook received its first round of venture capital investments from Accel Partners, which invested $12.7 million in a site that was still only open to Ivy League students. By the end of 2005, however, Facebook had opened up students attending other schools, causing the website to reach 5.5 million users. Since 2005, Facebook received numerous acquisition offers from the likes of Yahoo and Microsoft, has been through legal battles, and has greatly increased its user base. On April 28, 2021, Facebook released its first quarter earnings for 2021. The company reported quarterly revenue of $26.17 billion, up 48% from the year earlier quarter, surpassing estimates as well as higher earnings per share and net income. Monthly active users, a key metric, total 2.85 billion, an increase of 10% year over year. As of January 30, 2020, the company has a market cap of $932 billion. Zuckerberg owns over 375 million Facebook shares and holds 60% of voting rights in the company. Mark Zuckerberg has a net worth of $190 billion as of May 30, 2021. Thank you for listening to my short story.